This video will give you a simple overview of the process that we will take you through to get your tax refund or tax relief by assessing what unused embedded capital allowances you have built up in your commercial property. It's only 3 minutes long, and it's well worth the time spent watching it. You will have already spoken to one of our advisors, who will have talked you through how it all works, what we will do, and the fees that we charge. If they haven't already, they will send you our terms of business, which you can sign digitally on DocuSign. Please sign and send that back as soon as you can, as we cannot arrange your survey without it. Then, we will need some basic information to assess whether you have a tax refund or tax relief. If you are a sole trader, we need your last 2 years' self-assessment tax returns. That's the returns you submit in January each year. We also need your last 2 years' SA 302 forms. You can download them from your Government Gateway online account. We will also need the full address of your commercial property. If you are a limited company, we need your last 2 years' company accounts and corporation tax returns, otherwise known as your CT 600. Your accountant will have your last 2 years' company tax computations, which we will need as well. We will also need the full address of your commercial property. If you would like us to contact your accountant to get any of these items, we're more than happy to. Just let us know. We'll send you reminders on email and text at regular intervals. Once we have your information, we'll pass it to our accountant to make an initial assessment as to whether you qualify for a tax refund or relief. Our accountant is chartered by the ACA with over 20 years' experience, and they are well versed in the capital allowance claims process. The name you will see on the paperwork is Liberty Rock Limited. When we know that you qualify, we will make arrangements for a site visit to be carried out by one of our specialists. They will inspect the interior and exterior of your building, carefully noting the items that qualify. This information is recorded and then entered into our reporting tool, which will calculate the unused allowances. This information is compared with industry and sector standard data by our chartered accountant to calculate the unused allowances. Our accountant will then apply for a code from HMRC, which will enable them to make the necessary changes to your company or personal tax return. The code will be sent direct to your registered office in a letter. So please do look out for it and send it to us as soon as you receive it. Our preference is that you email the code to us. We do not require the original letter. Once we have the tax code, our accountant will make the necessary changes to your tax return. Our accountant will chase HMRC until the refund is received or we are notified of the relief. Once the process has got to this point, we will be in touch to give you the good news. We also need to send you an invoice for our fee, which is always 5% of the unused allowances that we uncover. The process should take between 2 and 3 months, and we will maintain an appropriate level of contact to make sure you know what is happening. As ever, if you need us, we will be happy to help. The team at Property Tax Refund Centre would like to thank you for your business. We look forward to working with you.